video, we are going to explore ChatGPT, a highly advanced language model developed by OpenAI. So, what is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is capable of understanding human language and generating responses that are almost indistinguishable from those of a human. Let's dive in and see how it works. So, what it can do? With ChatGPT, you can have a conversation about pretty much anything from getting advice on your homework to discussing the latest news and the trends. It's like having a virtual friend who's always there to chat with us. How does it do all this? ChatGPT works by analyzing the context of your message and generating a response that is most likely to be relevant and helpful. It's been trained on a vast dataset of human interaction, so it has a lot of knowledge to answer us. So, why ChatGPT? One of the most impressive things about ChatGPT is its ability to adapt different situations and styles of communication. Whether you prefer a formal tone or a more casual one, ChatGPT can adjust its style responses to match your style. How to use ChatGPT? To use ChatGPT, all you need to do is type in a message and hit the send button. ChatGPT will analyze your message and generate a response that is tailored to your needs. If you can see the screen, here it is how it looks. What is the success behind ChatGPT? The top secret. What sets ChatGPT apart from other language models is its ability to learn and adapt over time. That is, more conversation it has, the better it becomes. Now, let's play with ChatGPT. Chat.openai.com, this is the URL. When you hit the URL, you'll get to see two options, login and sign up. I already have an account, so let's switch to that. This is the ChatGPT UI. You can create a new chat. There is an option to upgrade the plan as well, and we have dark mode and light mode. Let's stick to dark, and there is an option to get help and log out. And it says example like coding, birthday idea, quantum computing as well, and it shows their capabilities like conversation requests and all. And the important part, the limitations we have in ChatGPT, it may give occasionally incorrect information and harmful and biased as well. Here comes the important point, that it does not have data of 2022 and 2023. So let's try it out. My first question would be, what are the things you can do for me? Let's see the response. Now it's generating the response, and we do have an option to stop the response right at the bottom. Yeah, it's listing. Yeah, we have 10 points like answer questions, provide information, give advice, translations, spell and grammar checking. Almost pretty good works, everything. The next question, let's ask something. Is it possible for you to get me a girlfriend? Okay, let's see what it says. It's an A language, I'm not capable of physically introducing you to someone or arranging a romantic relationship for you, but it can give advice, it seems. So it is giving me some advice like join clubs, online dating. Yeah, it requires effort, communication, mutual interest from both the parties. Okay, that's good. ChatGPT is almost like a superhuman who knows everything. I have attached the URL in the description. Give it a try and comment. And of course, yeah, that's all for ChatGPT. Thank you for watching.